is Gaitje. Gaia en Senna. Kom maar. Oh my. Yildau en Wietse. Hi there. I wanna talk to you because something is happening over here and I don't know how to say exactly, but last week there was a man and a woman, Jelle, who were searching for a Friesian herd to buy. So some of the horses are sold. This is Geertje. Geertje is sold. And I think within a couple of weeks or months they go, because they go to another country. This is Hester. That's Oda, her horse, and she isn't sold. They go to another country, so they have to go by plane, and some of the mares get a foal when they are almost the due date. They can't fly anymore, so they get their foal here. This is Frida, and Frida is also sold. Jeannie. Jeannie is also sold. Yeah. Oh. And here we have Senna and Gaia, also sold. And Yildau, hey Wietse, also sold. And here we have Jacobin. She's also sold. Mariah. And Mathilde. Hey. Also sold. Hey Douwe. Jelle. Sure. So it's very hard, but all those mares are sold. And there's another one, Lianne, and she's also sold. So this year all of these mares go away. And normally we sell every year 1 or 2 or 3, depends on how many foals there are born. Last year they didn't sell a lot, so now they are sold. So it's hard for us here on the stable, but I think it's better. Yeah. Wieder. Genie. Geertje. So I think Geertje and Lianne first stay for a while because they get their foal and they can't fly anymore. So they can stay, but I don't know for how long. Pizza and Yildo. Jacobin. Mariah. Mathilde. But the last videos I did post for about a couple of months were a lot on style H and some of style G. So I hope you still like it, you still keep following style H, and I can film the horses here as long as they are here. So we will see. Hey, Jelle. But I hope you keep watching. We keep coming here for a couple of months. I don't know yet how it comes. And we help to prepare the horses to go to the airplane and They fly away. They fly away to Canada. Yes. So I think I never see them again. So I'm here alone talking to my phone. So I hope the video is okay. I'm not that good. I just do it. So bye. See you soon. Because I keep filming here and to the other stable. Because I like it and I like to share it with you. So, bye. And the vet was here for some mares to check. To check if they are in foal or not, because they have to fly by plane. This is Frida, and the vet checked her and she is in foal. And this is Jeannie. She's also in foal. Yeah. And here we have Jacobine. And Jacobine is also in foal. And Yildo, she's also in foal. Oh, the yellow's good. Oh. Where'd he go? Yeah, that's Geetjes. He gets some extra pellets. But these mares are going to fly in, I think, 2 weeks. First they go in quarantine, and after that they are going to fly. And this one is Luxe Famke, and she's also in foal. And this one is Unique, and she's also in foal, and she's going to fly also. And the other one stays here, Luxe Famke, because they are in foal and they can't fly within that many time before the due date is. And maybe another horse go with them in plane, but we don't know yet. So it's strange. And all those mares were given blood, and the blood going to check if they are healthy and that kind of stuff. So Yildo goes first. And that Unique, and Jacobine, and Jeannie, and Frida. Rijn op Jeannie. En dit is echt de allerlaatste keer dat ik op Jacobine ried. Want dan werd ze verkocht. Morgen gaat ze vet. En Jeannie ik. Tja. Hè? Maar Hester blijft wel. Toch? Frida is al wasken. Yildo. Frida. Hey Jelle. Ginny. Jacobin. Dit is uniek prinseske. Juster is ze wasken. En nou is ze droeg. Oh. En heel mooi skiën. Ja, hè? Oh.
Dus ik wil ook lekker melk hoor.
Ja. Inderdaad. Is dat ik missen?
Ja, zeker.
Ja. Foka riet heel vaak op Frida. Geertje. Oh. Hoe mooi zou ze onder dat vieze dek komen. Wow. It's amazing. Wow. En ze roept lekker.
Ja, hè?
Ja. Genie. Dit is Yildo. En Yildo gaat zometeen vet. En toen wie Mathilde haar al poetsen. En toen zei ze... Yildo had dan misschien lezen om in hand brutsen. Want dat weer...
Maar hij deed het wel.
Schuld van Yildo. En nou doet hij het wel. Maar, wat heeft nog meer mooi maken?
Dat hij had al mijn eerste foutje wie ik zelf op de wereld geholpen heb.
Dus eigenlijk is
het
het
wel een beetje speciaal.
bijzonder.
Ja, want daar wie ik helemaal alleen nog zelf bij.
Vet cool.
Hè? Beeldje. Dat is heel mooi zo.
Ja, ziet er vet mooi uit.
Helemaal mooi shiny.
Hey Jelle.
Die kun je nou de hele dag wel in omkamer, hè?
Ja.
Het is helemaal mooi. Heel erg en zacht dat ze doen.
Hoe je deze?
Welmoed.
Welmoed giet ik vet.
Hè, Poepie? Braaf, hè, Franke. Goed zo, hè?
En daar staat de vrachtauto.
Goed zo, hè? Braaf, hè? Goed zo. Zeker.
Wow.
Ja.
Dit is leuk. Frida. Bravo. Goed zo. Doei Frida. Genie. Goed zo, braaf hoor. Goed zo. Doe maar.
Goed zo, ja, kom.
Goed Genie. Oh.
Heel braaf.
Jacobin. Goed zo. Ah. Dat is Jacobin foppen?
Ja, nou.
Had er een traintje voor uitpinken worden?
Ja, ja.
Vernept als je vrouw. En Yellow. Braaf, goed zo. Doe maar.
Goed zo, kom. Ja, goed, goed, goed. En iemand bent die daarnaast gooit, zoals Pascal, hè? Ja.
Uniek. Uniek prinseske. Lekker eerst.
Beste vereniging. En ze krijgen een mooie plak.
De hines ben correct ophellen. Dit is luxe Famke. Die mag je nog even een foutje krijgen en die gaat lettervuld. En deze hebben we hier deel zetten. Dit is Gea. Gea die ik lettervuld. En deze box is leeg. En die box is leeg. En die box is leeg. En die box is leeg. Hier binnen nou nog maar fjouwer. Want een van de merrievoeltjes is ik vet gong. Wel moet. Maar dit is Geertje. Hey. Ik krijg eerst een voeltje en ik get letterveld. En Hester. Maar Hester Bloed, die is van Oda. Maar Lianne komt weer om. Die komt dus in een van de lege boxen en die krijgt hier ik een foaltje. En die gaat over per maand ik vet. En welke rein we waarom het is Mathilde. Yay!
Dat vind ik heel leuk.
Dus Mathilde, her namesake is coming back.